Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve problem number 739 on LeetCode. If you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. To solve this problem, I am going to use stack today. Okay, so in this problem we have given one temperatures array, and in this temperatures array we have stored the temperature for particular day. Okay, so let's say this 73 is a temperature for day 0, 74 is the temperature for day 1, 75 is the temperature of day 2. Okay, something like that. And in the output array we have to return the number of days that we have to wait, okay, after the current day to get a warmer temperature. So let's say so this is the example given to us. Okay, so current day is, so let's consider this as days. Okay, so day 0, so current day is day 0 and day 0's temperature is 73. Okay, after that at day 1 I get the temperature which is greater than my current day. Okay, so how much I have to wait here? Just one day, right? 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So here I am in my results array at 0th index I have stored 1. Okay, now day 1's current temperature is 74 and day 2's current temperature is 75, which is greater than my current temperature, and that's the only thing that I have found, right? The temperature which is warmer than current day. Okay, so 2 minus 1, just one day I have to wait, so I have stored 1 here. Okay, now when I am at day 2, okay, so after that day 3 temperature is 71, which is less than 75. No, this is not what I need. Day 4's temperature is 69. This is not what I need. Day 5 temperature is 72. This is not what I need. Day 6 temperature is 76, which is greater than my day 2's temperature. Okay, this is what I am looking for, right? So at this particular index I have to store the number of days that I have to wait. So this 76 is present at day 6, and for this day I am looking day 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4, right? So here I have stored 4. After that, this is my current day 71, and when my current day is 71, now I am looking for the temperature which is greater than 71. So here at day 5, okay, I have found the temperature which is greater than my current day. So how long do I have to wait? Just 2 days, right? 5 minus 3, 2. When I am at this day 69, okay, at this particular day, then I have to just wait for 1 day. Next day temperature is 72, so here I have stored 72. When I am on day 5, okay, at day 5 72, so on the very next day I get a temperature which is greater than my current day, so I have added 1 here. When I am at this 76 at this day, particular day, so after that I didn't get any temperature which is greater than my 76, so in that case I have to return 0. And for this 73 also I didn't find any temperature which is greater than this 73. Okay, because our array is completed here. Okay, so here I have stored 0. So now let me copy the output. Okay, so this is the output for example 1. So let's see if this is matching with our result. 1 1 4 2 1 1 0 0. Just it is matching. Okay, so now let me write the code first, then I will explain, because after writing the code you will get a clear picture of what I am doing. So here in the n I am going to store the length of temperatures dot length. So let's hope the spelling is correct. Okay, yes, it's correct. Then I am going to create one result array. Okay, int result, and give the same length, new int n, and I am going to use stack, and stack is of integers. Okay, stack is of integer, and stack new stack. Okay, so here I am using stack, and after that I am going to run one loop for int I is equal to 0, and it is going to run till all elements n minus n. Okay, it's going to run for all the elements in my temperature array and I plus plus, and inside this I am going to use one while loop. Okay, I'm going to use this while loop, and in this while loop I'm going to check if my stack is empty, is not empty. If my stack is empty. Okay, so here I have used note stack is not empty, and I am going to check if temperatures at index I is greater than the temperature which is available at the top of my stack. Okay, so stack dot peak, I'm looking for the topmost element in my stack dot peak. Okay, and now after that, inside this while loop, let's create one variable int idx, and this here I'm just going to pop the element. I'm going to store the value idx is equal to stack.pop, and in the result of idx, here I'm going to store the final result value. So here it is nothing but my I minus idx. Okay, I minus idx, and here after the while loop I'm going to just push the element this index I, and in the end I am going to just return the result. Okay, so now we are going to understand after this. Let me execute the program, and after that we are going to understand how this code is working. Okay, so here we need to use equal to. By mistake we have used minus sign. And what's the next? Temperatures. Okay, stack is empty. Okay, so here this spelling is wrong, right? Temperature. Okay, so here I'm using. Okay, so this spelling is wrong. And what's the other mistake? So this should be in small letters now. Anything else? Let me run it. Error, I cannot find the symbol. Result. Okay, this should be result now. Because result of idx. Okay, now anything else? So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let me submit it, and then after that we are going to understand how this code is working. So our solution is accepted. Okay, here I have created one stack which is empty initially. Okay, so after that I am going to run one loop which is going to run from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so when my I is 0, in that case my stack is empty. Okay, so when my I is 0, in that case my stack is empty. Okay, so in that case this while loop will not execute, and simply I am going to push this I, that is 0, into my stack. Okay, so here I have added this 0 into my stack. Alright, now after that my I becomes 1. So when my I is equal to 1, in that case I am again going to check if my stack is empty. So now my stack is not empty, so this condition is true. Okay, and after that I am going to check if the temperature, this temperature is greater than the temperature which is at this index stack.peak, that is 0. So yes, 74 is greater than 73. Yes, right, it is true. Then in that case my idx is going to be stack.pop. So here I have popped the element. Okay, pop the element, and I stored it in idx. Okay, and the result of 0 becomes 1 minus 0, that is 1. Okay, so here result of 0 becomes 1 minus 0. So here see, here it is 1 written, right? And after that I am going to stack.push I. So what is my I, previous I? That is 2, that is 1. So here I pushed my I. Okay, so this is second step. Now after that my I becomes 3, my I becomes 2. My I becomes 2. So here I am also again I am checking my stack is empty or not. So my stack is not empty, and after that I am checking whether my temperature at index 2 is greater than temperature at 1. Yes, it is true, 75 is greater than 74. So here I am popping this element, and okay, I am popping this element, then my result of 1 becomes 2 minus 1. So that is 1. So that is why this 1 is written here in the output. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. So now in the next step my I becomes 3. So now my I becomes 3. So when my I is 3, then again I am here in the last step also, again we are going to push this previous index into our stack. So when my I is 3, so now I am going to check if my stack is empty. So it is not empty, 2 is there. Then temperature at index 3, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, at index 3, 71 is greater than the topmost element 75. This is not true here. This is not true. Okay, this is not true. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So temperature at 3 is not greater than my temperature at 2. Okay, if that is the case, then in that case this all things will not execute. Okay, this become false. Then we are just going to simply add next stack.push 3. Okay, after that my I is going to become 4. So when my I is 4, then again stack is not empty. Then I am going to check for temperature at 4 is greater than temperature at 3. So temperature at 4, 69 is not greater than 3. So again we are going to push this 4 into my stack. Then I am going to check for I is equal to 5. Then I am going to check my stack is empty, not empty. So after that I am going to check if this temperature 72 is greater than my temperature at 4, that is 69. So this is true. If this is true, then my IDX becomes stack.pop. So here I am going to store the value of result of IDX, that is 4. So result of 4 is equal to I minus IDX. So I is 5 minus IDX is 4. So here in the result of 4 I have stored a value as 1. Okay, so in the same way now my while loop will continually execute because my stack is not empty, and after that I am going to check the temperature of 5. If temperature of 5 is greater than temperature of 3, because I have popped the element 4. Now again I am going to check for 3. So in this way again and again we are going to use the stacks, okay, to fill our output array. So I hope that you guys are clear with today's problem, and if you guys still have any question, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.